Hey everybody, it's in the shop with Tom. Today I got a new tool. I just picked up a new Milwaukee brushless 10-inch miter saw. Slider, compound miter. Man, this thing's a beast. I gotta be honest with you. Never thought I'd like it. It's heavy. It is a heavy. My only downfall so far is the weight of it. Got to mount it to our stand. We'll see how it works out in the field. But we're gonna do a little review on it after we run it. But I wanted to put it out there. It's, like I said, new tool alert. We'll be checking that one out. We're also going to have you also got the brushless mud mixer, which we're going to do a review on that. We just haven't got to it yet. Just haven't had a reason to use it yet, and that's the problem. That's the real reason with that. Man, I'll tell you, I'm impressed so far. I mean, this thing is like, I mean, right now, I only have the 5 battery in it. Got to get a 12, probably 1 or 2 12s just for this particular situation. This is a great tool. I think it's going to do well for us. I mean, man, it cuts, up to 5 3/4 vertical, and up to 2 by 12 on the horizontal. So that's great for what we want. I have a little small Ryobi one that we're using now out in the field. I bought it on a whim. I do have a newer DeWalt one that I've taken and converted that to our shop saw. That was our field saw. So this will be our field saw, and the DeWalt will be the shop saw. And then I had the little Ryobi one. I can use that for situations like if I'm doing a pergo floor or something like that, where I can keep the saw right here by me and use it. That's perfect. That'll be what that is for, instead of running out to the big dog. But like I said, it's a great tool. Got to say, right now we're rocking with the 5.0 battery. Gonna have to pick a couple 12s up to have them. Was gonna buy DeWalt, honestly, and I went and looked. I thought it was a little pricey for me. I think it was like 7 something at Home Depot. I already have a bunch of Milwaukee batteries already, so I didn't see the sense of going out and purchasing another platform. I mean, we got Milwaukee rigid. I do have DeWalt, regular 20 volt DeWalt for our chainsaw and weed whacker we have. I mean, I got more chargers, and like I said, I got 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. I got 5 chargers sitting on the bench that I don't even use. So at some point in here, coming up in the next couple of weeks, we're going to be building a new charging station, some dedicated circuits, got a whole bunch of stuff we're going to be doing. But like, comment, subscribe. Let me know what you think of this. Like I said, I'm gonna come back with another video at a later date after we've used it for a while and give our opinion on it. So far, like I said, the only thing I see about it that I don't like is it's a little heavy. I was gonna get the 7 1/4. I wanted something bigger, cut bigger stock on site. And I said, look, I have that little Ryobi one for now. That we'll use that in a small situation. So, like I said, like, subscribe, comment. Peace out. See you guys on the next one.